In this video, you will learn how to hop between local IP addresses using opticole, our cybersecurity toolkit for Windows. Start by opening the app and navigating to the Switch IP location button on the bottom. Click that button and press OK when a second window pops up. Set a static IP address using the text box to restore if you would like to switch manually. That address can be edited at any time. Your original IP address can be restored with a single click of the Restore IP Location button. As you can see, the new IP address has successfully been set. If you would like to download opticole and avoid cyber threats on public networks with new IP hopping technology, check the link in the description.